gonna stab it? So easy. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Oh, let's go! The transmission would have been too much work, so we're just gonna junk it. We made a few great videos with this car, so now here's a video of us just getting rid of it and taking it to the scrapyard for some money, which we're gonna use for our K24A2 or K20A2. So, yeah, just, ew, that's crazy garage. So now we're just strapping the car to the thingy-majig, and we're gonna go trade this car for a Tesla. I got a Tesla. We got the Lancer that's gonna be coming soon. We got the engine already. Got this all sanded in here. So we got this all sanded. We got the brake booster off finally. That was sort of a hassle. I think we might have to take the wire harness off over here and get it through the firewall so we can get all the fuse boxes out. It's too wet to sand right here because it's out in the rain right now. And then I'll probably bring this home and just start sanding it myself. Alright guys, so I'm sort of new to this. I've never actually took a car to the scrapyard before. So Forrest is over here teaching me how to take a car to the scrapyard. So we could at least get a few hundred for this out of the metal or out of the Ford. So I guess what we're doing now is we're getting the paperwork together, where what we need is the title, which we had to go get a whole new one because I lost it, and then had to get a bill of sale. So now we have both of those signed. We basically should have everything we need to make this happen. So now I'm just following Forrest's steps and guide on this journey. Tell me about your truck, Forrest.
I'm driving my truck.
You're driving the truck. Alright guys, we made it to the recycle plant. Time to finally get rid of this Ford. Dang the Ford. I better turn off the camera now. I'll record a tiny bit longer. Oh, it's officially out of here. Got it for the scrapyard. I'm going scrapping. I asked her and she said I could film, by the way. She was a little confused, like, why would you not be allowed to? Now we're on a scale, so if you see we're going on this big scale to weigh the car. So I guess it's sort of like a self-service thing. Like, instead of bringing it out, we just do it ourselves. We just push it off. They said we could just push it off and just leave it here and just leave it where the other cars are. The thing is gigantic. Look at that. The thing's huge. I might stand out of the way. That's cool. This is definitely the intro video. Is he gonna stab it? Is he gonna flip it? Do something cool? So easy. Oh, let's go! Let's go! That's what I've been wanting to see. Yes! Let's go! Ah! Stand in the way, let's go! bad. Oh, and he backs it up too. Oh, he said that was bad. That was a highlight of my day. All right, guys, we successfully sold the Ford. The Ford is no more. And we're gonna go use this money to go pick up Tesla Cybertruck now. You wanna just show off his truck? Everyone here's showing off. Everyone's just driving fast trying to show off on this road. Alright guys, that was so freaking exciting. We got to literally see the car get yeeted and then smashed. And I'm going to put a few more clips of just the yeet, yeet, yeet noise on it. Oh, let's go! Let's go! And yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick up a Tesla Cybertruck real quick and then we're going to head home. And we got some money. We were able to get $300 for the car, but we bought the car for $300 and I spent about $80 on the title. So we lost about $100 on this car, plus our time, but at the same time, I think it was worth it for all the videos we did shoot. They were fun, go check them out. Yeah, so just going back. All right guys, so it's a success, I guess, sort of. We definitely lost money on this, but if you can see, we made it back. No more Ford, we got money, and now we're gonna buy a Tesla Cybertruck with it. So come check out what we have on the back now. We just bought a Cybertruck, and I'm gonna hand this over. All right guys, let's close this out. So this is it, this is the episode, and now next episode we're gonna do something with the Honda, getting it painted and getting it ready. Now we got the money, and we got the Cybertruck. You guys got motorcycle projects in here? That's crazy.